So Shirag had a great question for us here. He asked, how do I find the best options available for SLV in June or July 2026? The best option with the lowest risk and the highest reward. Let's assume you're bullish on SLV. A good way to use Options AI to find your optimal strategy would be as follows. So we're going to go to the dashboard here, enter SLV in the quick strike search box. Select your expiration, let's say July 17th, 2026. Click on bullish here. Now pick your preferred strategy. Let's assume a call spread for this example in order to lower cost and risk from an outright call. So click on the call spread strategy box. Now quick strike is going to automatically load the call spread using the at the money strike for your long call and the expected move for your short call. We can click on edit strikes in the top right next to call spread. And now you can try to adjust the chart zones by moving the strikes up or down using the big blue buttons, or we can widen or close the spread using the strike box up and down arrows here. So that's how we would do that. And you can see the profit loss zones adjust on the chart, and the max loss, max gain, and the probability of profit metrics are going to update until you find your optimal trade. So now we can drag the what if simulator on the chart to check the potential future profits of the strategy. We hope this helps. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.